Imagine waking up with a sense of clarity, your digestive system humming along smoothly, and your energy levels boosted, all without breaking the bank on fancy supplements. That's what happens when you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine. As the gelatin works its way through your system, it's like a gentle detox, soothing and calming your insides, and setting you up for a day of feeling more grounded and focused. My friend, I've seen people spend a small fortune on expensive supplements, hoping to achieve the same benefits that the gelatin trick provides. But the truth is, this simple, straightforward approach is often all you need. Researchers say that gelatin can help support healthy digestion, and when you make it a part of your daily ritual, you start to notice the difference. The gelatin trick is all about using basic ingredients to nourish your body, rather than relying on pricey pills or powders. By doing the gelatin trick, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive, without denting your wallet. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine. And if you have any questions, be sure to take a look at the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and resources to get you started with the gelatin trick.